Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2023 Ford F-150. This particular F-150 is an XLT model and it's finished in Oxford white. Now we're going to take a quick walk around the outside of this particular truck, then we'll hop into the interior. We'll first start with the front end, where we do have a set of fog lights right there, which goes nicely with our sort of blacked out housing in the headlight. And we do have a nice chrome bumper as well with the chrome surround in the grille. And there is a set of recovery hooks down there at the bottom. And if we come out to the side here, we do have a 17-inch aluminum wheel, just wrapped in a 265/70 all-terrain tire. And there is the XLT badging right there on the side of the fender, nice chrome accent. And the mirrors do include the blind spot indicator system in the top corner. And this is the Super Crew model, so it's your full four-door. We have the 5.5-foot bed, as well as the optional chrome accented running boards. And of course we got four-wheel drive, so you do have the 4x4 sticker on the side of the box. And then we come around to the back end here. We do have a nice chrome rear bumper, which also includes a set of rear parking sensors, as well as a Class 4 hitch receiver. This truck does have the trailer tow package, so you get your Class 4 receiver hitch, 4 and 7-pin connector, and all your various towing technology on the inside as well. You have your rear view camera. Drop down the tailgate. This one does have a nice factory spray and bed liner. Of course, keep the bed protected. And there is also lots of additional tie-down points. Now, this truck here actually has a factory installed strobe light. So there is a little switch here on the inside of the dash, which is used for the light, and you can switch that on. And then we'll have a strobe feature. It is a white and orange or amber strobe. So it is kind of a dual light there. LED, of course. So that is factory installed. But now we'll take a look into the interior, where this XLT has the dark slate cloth interior. So dark slate cloth, nice and very, very comfortable. And this has the bench seat configuration. So you can see a total of 6 people in this particular truck here. So you got that extra seating capacity. And then on the door panel here, got some nice soft touch sort of vinyl material. And then you got, of course, your power controls for everything. Lots and lots of storage down there. And standard with the XLT is rubber flooring. So we do have a rubber/vinyl flooring throughout the entire floor here. So it's fully protected, very easy to clean. Definitely a nice feature there. And then you got all your lighting controls as well as an electronic parking brake. Now we step inside, take a look at the key fob. So we do have Ford's switchblade key, and there is a remote start system, which is activated through Ford Pass. So this does have Ford Pass Connect, so you can remote start, you can lock, unlock, check fuel levels, tire pressures, all that from the Ford Pass app on your phone. So that is included with this F-150. But powering this truck is the 5-liter V8 engine, which makes 400 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque. So nice naturally aspirated V8 power, and that is paired to the 10-speed automatic transmission via that column shifter. And of course, again, is 4-wheel drive. But we'll move on to the steering wheel, which on your left side you got your cruise control with lane keeping system right there, and your volume buttons. And then on the right side you got controls for the center gauge cluster screen, as well as your track and your phone button. And in the middle is where we're going to find the Sync 4 8-inch display. And we're currently in the home screen here. But if we go into audio sources, we have Sirius XM, satellite radio, and also Bluetooth. So lots of connectivity. Got all your phone settings down there, as well as a built-in navigation system. We also have various different apps like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You go to various settings in there, and also some key features like your towing information. And then moving down, this is where you're going to find the 4-wheel drive settings. So you have both 4 high and 4 low, as well as a drive mode select right there in the middle, which will automatically change the way the F-150 behaves for each particular one. And in the middle is where you're going to find the climate control system. It does have a rear defrost as well. Got your USB connections. There's even more USB over here with a 12-volt as well. Let's keep everything charged up. Again, this has the bench seat configuration, so if you don't need that extra person, you can keep it down, and you do have a little console. But if you need that extra seating capacity, you can easily lift that up. And then now we'll take a look into the rear seat of this F-150. Again, this is the Super Crew model, so this is your largest and definitely the most popular cab for the F-150. And just like the front, we have the dark slate cloth back here. So nice two-tone cloth material, again, very, very comfortable, very high quality, and you also can lift them up. This one has a completely flat load floor, so if you happen to throw your tools in here, use this as a work truck. This is great, and again, is rubber slash vinyl, so it's fully protected. It's fully water resistant and all that, so it's definitely a nice thing to have. And then we put this back down. We also have a couple connectors back here. You got your USB and also a 12-volt right there, as well as a set of cup holders. So if you're interested in this particular F-150, it is for sale here at MacPhee Ford. You can either give us a call or visit us at MacPheeFord.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.